Anyway, I want to take this time to sing a song that was going in my head by Teddy Pendergrass, I believe, or one of the old greats R&B singers of the legendary times. My name is Dominique Nicole King. Dominique Dominique Nicole Nicole King Keene Dominique King. For short. So I would just wanted to sing a little bit of Teddy Pendergrass. Um, Come on over to my place. Where? Come on over to my place. Where? Come on over to my place.